In this quick and easy Photoshop tutorial, I will guide you on how to make a gradient background in Photoshop. What do you need in order to create a gradient background? Well, I have here a white picture, as you can see. What you have to do, you have to select it at the layers menu, then press on this icon and select gradient overlay. And by default, Photoshop will have a 2-color gradient. Let's see how can we create one with our own colors and then adjust it. So press here on the gradient colors and this menu will pop up with 2 colors. At the opposite poles at this bar, you'll find 2 squares. Let's click on one of the squares and after that click on this color. And another menu will pop up, but don't worry because this is easier than you think. So let's choose here another color. As an example, let's go with a lighter blue, something like that, and press on OK. Now at the opposite pole of this bar, let's press on this green square and let's try to find another color. Maybe some green works with the blue. Press on OK and now on OK. If you want to create something, another color at the middle between these 2 colors, let's go again here. Create a square by clicking underneath the bar and now let's give this square some other color. As an example, some dark blue. Now this is not working. Let's go with some red. OK. Press on OK, and if you want to readjust the colors, all you have to do is drag and drop these squares. And now let me show you how you can adjust these colors. So here I have the opacity. Basically, if you drag it all the way to the 0, the original color of the photo will reappear. I will leave it all the way to the maximum. Here you'll have an angle to adjust the colors, so you can make them appear as you want. I will leave them on minus 90 degree, and here is the scale of the colors. I think something like that will do it. So this is how to create gradient backgrounds in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching and bye bye.